Hey everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can set up a photo strip layout in Canva. So if you want to have creative ways to style your pictures and background, you can just make your own photo strips using Canva. So what you need to do is just open Canva and create a custom size for the design. Click on this custom size button. Then you can use the size. So for the width, go with 600 and the height 1500. Click on create new design. So here is the size. As you guys can see, it looks like the size of a photo strip. Next, you can just add the frame. So click on the frame button in here on the elements. And here you can just choose any frames shape that you want and go with the rectangle, circle, heart, or anything that you want. For example, I'm going to just go with the basic one in here. Let's just use the rectangle one in here. You can put it like this and adjust the position. You can just duplicate it, copy and paste it just like this. Don't forget to adjust the position. Okay, so once you're done with the frame, you can just add elements that you want to style the photo strip. For example, I'm going to find the FF in here. Let's find and adjust it to how you like it. Can also add backgrounds. Let's add the element first. So just add any elements that you want to support a photo strip. Okay, so I'm done with the elements. Here I'm going to find or add the backgrounds. So I'm going to find, for example, let's add a background in here. You can just add any background that you like. Let's say this one. You can just right click on it and choose set image as background like that. So for the background, this is optional. You can also just use a solid color for the background. For example, I'm going to just change the color like this or use image. So that's up to you. Now you can just add the photos into the frame. So you can add, say, I'm going to just add a random picture in here. You can just add it to the frame. So this is how you can create your own photo strip in Canva. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks.